Right now, digital transformation sentiment is sitting at an impressive 0.79, with momentum at 0.30. This is a significant spike when compared to the historical baseline. We haven't seen sentiment this high in quite some time. What does this mean for you? It indicates a strong and growing interest in how businesses are adapting to change, which could provide a unique opportunity for your applications. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of sentiment around digital transformation, including insights from 14 semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of public perception. Imagine using this data to tailor your product offerings or marketing strategies in real time, aligning with the pulse of what businesses are excited about. Explore further at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Get ready to leverage this data for your next big move.